Hey guys, so today we are going to do a plant animation tutorial. So these kind of animations are really handy for social media graphics, because I am usually I am into social media marketing, so I use these kind of animations a lot. Previously also I made videos on simple basic social media graphic stuff, which kind of impress the client, and also so it's not just static posts. If this is just a static post of a plant, then it won't look good. But if you have an animation kind of thing, then people are really impressed by your work. So I have already kind of added the plant and everything. I'll just add a like a speed run the masking part, because this is not a masking tutorial, this is a Sony Vegas tutorial. So this is the masking part that I'm doing right now, and then we'll hop into um, the animation part. So we are going to be saving PNG files for the animation, so we need PNG files for the whole animation, because you can't do it on JPEG. You can do it and on JPEG as well, but I always prefer PNG because they are better. So you'll just save that, and then what you can do is save this again. We'll just on each and every stage we are going to make the plant appear. And so what I do is I always save it as 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it's 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 and 0 5. And let's come into Vegas now, and I have my so I have my PNGs ready. So we'll just drag them and drop them in. Now once they are there, I'll just do my Vegas settings here, so that it's a square. Perfect. Now we'll just go into masking. So what I'll do is we'll go into animation. So what I'll do is the first part that needs to be animated is the leaves coming out. So what we'll do is we'll go into mask, and we will select this oval circle right here, and we will make an oval about here. Okay, and about here we'll just make it bigger. Okay, now what will happen is when you do that, it'll kind of look as if it's growing, and so you don't have to really worry about the it being an oval, because this will happen so fast that the user or the viewer won't be able to actually gauge what's happening, is it an oval or not. So this is a neat trick that usually is followed by lots of animators, is that they usually do the animation quite fast, so the user can't see what is happening. So same thing here, we'll just kind of make it bigger. So it's very simple. You just go to the first frame and make a circle, and then just click somewhere. After some time, like not really 1 second won't be a lot, 1 second will be a lot, but less than 1 second, so it like seems very flawless. So if you do it, it should look very flawless. Okay, now we'll just add one more video track, and we'll just drag drop. So I'm doing with 5 layers, so I'll just keep 5 video tracks here, and so there are 5 video tracks, and each video track has my images. So I think 2 are done. Now what we'll do is go for the third one. So just make a circle, and then kind of make it big, and then again make a circle, because we have covered this much part in the previous animation, so I'll just draw the circle here on top and not on the bottom. So I'll just make the circle and then I'll just make it bigger, and I think the animation is done and it'll look kind of neat. So it feels good, I think. So I'll just adjust the timings here a bit, so it'll look more seamless. Now I've just added them. I'll just adjust the timings here. So I think the first one is a bit slow. I think it should be a bit faster, so I'll just reduce, because there are less number of leaves here, so I'll just have reduced it. So what's happening is it'll just come up, then the second set of leaves come up, this third set, and then the fourth set. So, and I'll just reduce it to like 2 seconds for now, and then what we'll do is we'll just reduce this to like 3 seconds and then reduce the fade out. We'll just give it a fade out, so you can just click on the edge here, fade out offset, and just drag it, and so I think it'll look like this. It'll fade out and then it will just loop again, so you can just see it again and again. It'll just keep on looping. So that's it, that's the tutorial. So thanks for watching, and just do give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials.